Donkeys may look humble, but they're incredibly tough and intelligent animals. Known for their calm nature, donkeys have amazing memory. They can remember places and other donkeys from years ago. They're also super strong, able to carry heavy loads and navigate rough terrain where vehicles can't go. Unlike horses, donkeys won't panic easily. They freeze and think when they sense danger. That's why people mistake them for being stubborn. And here's a fun fact. Donkeys have been helping humans for over 5,000 years. Loyal, smart, and steady. That's the donkey.